happy and excited to share this because this journey, it really made my dreams come true. I never believed that I could make it because I come from a completely non-IT and operational background. And also like I always wanted to get into IT, and for almost like 2 to 2.5 years I was working into night shifts, and that really kind of affected my health a lot. And that is when I decided to make a shift, but I did not know where to start. Then one day I came across a LinkedIn post about a free webinar by PrepNext. But I attended that webinar and I really liked it. I really liked the way Priyanka ma'am explained everything. She was an amazing trainer, and she helped me throughout the journey as well. Like throughout the entire journey, she helped me a lot. And at that point also I was like very disappointed. I did not think that I could crack it. But Priyanka ma'am kept on saying that I could make it, and she told me to understand each and every concept step by step, and she told me that I could really make it, and that really kind of kept me going. And also like the playwright automation testing was completely new to me. I had never done any automation before. So but the way Priyanka ma'am explained the concepts from basics to real world projects, even for someone like me with no technical background, it was very easy to follow because she explained every concept like very clearly. And also like all the concepts she explained, it was all very practical, and it was all connected to what companies usually ask during the interviews. The most important thing that I liked was their mock interviews. So after I attended my mock interview, right, so it understand where I was standing and to what concepts that I have to brush on, and that really pushed myself to keep on going. And Priyanka ma'am, she kept sharing all the HR contacts, articles, interview questions, everything. She kept sharing that, and during every session she used to boost our confidence. And also like by the end of the this boot camp, right, so I felt like I had a few more weeks of learnings to go, but before that itself I was able to get the job. And yeah, I got placed into a well-known healthcare based company, and I got 100% high, all thanks to Priyanka ma'am and the entire PrepNext family, because without them I'm sure like I could not make this. And I really feel blessed to be a part of this community. And if you're someone who is looking into, who is trying to upskill yourself, or if you're struggling to crack the interviews, I think if you have a trainer like Priyanka ma'am, you will your journey, it kind of becomes much more smoother. So thank you PrepNext, thank you Priyanka ma'am for making this happen, for making my dreams come true. Thank you.